Hello everyone, Dr. Adnan here. Welcome to another video. So today we will talk about an injection. An injection is a way of administering a liquid form of medication into tissue of the body beneath the skin, usually using a sharp hollow needle or tube. Most people with access to healthcare services experience injection at some point in their lives, such as a childhood immunization or medical treatment. There are four common type of injection. Number 1, intravenous injection. Number 2, intramuscular injection. Number 3, subcutaneous injection. Number 4, intradermal injection. First, let's talk about the intravenous injection. An intravenous injection is an injection of a medication or another substances into a vein and directly into the bloodstream. It is one of the fastest way to get a drug into the body. Intravenous administrations involves a single injection followed by the insertions of a thin tube or catheter into the vein. This allows the healthcare professional to administer multiple doses of medication or medicated infusion without having to re-inject needle to deliver each dose. Site for intravenous injection is some common site of short-term intravenous lines included for arm location, such as a wrist or elbow or the back of the hand. Some situation may require using the outer surface of the foot. In every urgent situation, healthcare professional may include to use other injection sites such as a vein in the neck. Central line generally feed into superior vena cava. However, the initial injection site will typically be in the chest or arm. Number 2, intramuscular injection. An intramuscular injection is a technique used to deliver a medication deep into the muscle. This allows the medication to be absorbed into the bloodstream quickly. You may have received an intramuscular injection at the doctor's office the last time you got a vaccine like a flu shot. Intramuscular injections are common practice in modern medicine. They were used to deliver drug and vaccine. Several drug and almost all injectable vaccine are delivered this way. Number 3, intradermal injection. Intradermal injection is shallow or superficial injection of a substances into the dermis, which is located between the epidermis and the hypodermis. The route is relative rare compared to injection into the substances, tissues, or muscle. Intradermal injection can be delivered using either normal size needle, Mantoux technique, or a device specially designed for intradermal injection. Today, most intradermal injections are delivered with a normal size needle. The Mantoux technique. It is a difficult technique which required a lot of experience. The needle has to be inserted into the skin at a 5 to 15 degree angle. For that reason, intradermal injection is at present not often used for vaccine, even though intradermal vaccination hold many advantages over other type of vaccine. Number 4, subcutaneous injection. A subcutaneous injection is a method of administering medication. Subcutaneous means under the skin. In this type of injection, a short needle is used to inject a drug into the tissue layer between the skin and the muscle. Subcutaneous injection can be given straight in a 90 degree angle or at a 45 degree angle. Give the injection at a 90 degree angle if you can grab 2 inches of skin between your thumb and first finger. If you can grab only 1 inch of skin, give the injection at a 45 degree angle. Subcutaneous tissues is all over your body, but the most common area for subcutaneous injection are the upper root area of the arm, the front and outer side of the thigh, the abdomen except for a 2 inches area around the navel, the upper outer area of the buttock, the upper hip. And last, let's have a look. The short form of intravenous injection is IV. The short form of intradermal injection is ID. The short form of intramuscular injection is IM. The short form of subcutaneous injection is SI.